National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Broward County in southeastern Florida until 3:30 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near intersection Alligator Alley and Miami Canal, or 25 miles west of Pembroke Pines, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Broward Rec, area on Alligator Alley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official